we're going to go ahead and remove this little panel here. If you're using a little pry bar, be careful because it scratches easily. I'm just going to use my fingers to go ahead and apply even pressure on this front side and just pull it right up. You can press down on this panel while pulling on this part. Once you got it partially up, it's easier to use a pry bar or just go ahead and putting the pressure on the tip of your fingers to move it right upwards. Go ahead and engage the handbrake and make sure the vehicle is on level ground. Next, we want to go ahead and get this part off. There's screws on the front here, and to get to them we need a little clearance. So we're going to go ahead and move the stick back. In order to do that, there's a little white plastic piece here that we need to push upwards, and then go ahead and grab the stick and you can move it backwards. Again, make sure the brake is on, you're on level ground, and you have sun behind the tires. And this is the little white piece that locks the transmission stick in place. You can remove it from this side or you can move it from this side, and then go ahead and move the stick down.